Jamaica will forever be a sporting nation. However, the landscape of maintaining the industry has been suffering financially for years, with many organizations being run by volunteers. However, there's a belief that realistic solutions exist to solve the long-standing concerns.
Some of sports' most important stakeholders were among a long list of panelists who presented at the Youth Exporting Summit, which took place this week. Most sporting bodies depend on organizations like the Sports Development Foundation to help subsidize expenses. However, the government does not have the resources to fully sustain all these sports associations. Chairman of Montego Bay United, Yoni Epstein, believes more can be done to help more sporting organizations become self-sufficient.
We need to go sit in front of our Minister of Sport as a collective and say, Madam Minister, this is where we need you. And this is where you need to be our champion, because we need to build this as a business in our country. The special economic zone, a lot of people may not know, sports and facilities can actually be a part of a special economic zone, which comes with a plethora of financial support and incentives for the business. So,
according to former JOA Vice President Don Anderson, there are also knock-on effects caused by the financial struggles, leaving many organizations with part-time leaders.
Every one of them, as far as I know, is run by a group of amateurs, people like myself who are doing it in my spare time. But I'm not polling, I'm involved in ice hockey today. I mean,